Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This charming 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in the gated community of St. Mary Country Club can be your dream home. The amenities include swimming pool, clubhouse, tennis court, plus 24-hour security. Located just off the North Coast Highway at Prospect and less than 50 minutes from the resort town of Ocho-Rios, this is perfect for a small family or your ideal vacation home on the North Coast. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you can visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.